The recent landslides and floods in the Dima Hasao region has affected the train services in that area. Out of the Lamding-Badurpur section is a 70 kilometer section. In that section, around at 60 locations we have had damages, out of which we have already restored 11 sites, and work is going on in the remaining areas. Out of the remaining 49, 10 to 11 such locations are some critical areas in which work is going on in full swing. In this area, we have cancelled around 26 pairs of trains, and we have partially cancelled around 28 pairs of trains. And this cancellation is till 30th June this year. We have started the restoration work, and our restoration is costing rupees 180 crores. And the restoration has already started, and we are targeting the completion soon.